This is the code you've used for a project. At first we are initializing the variables and ports we have used. In button state is an array which stores the current state of the buttons. Last button stores the value of the previous state of the buttons. The password array stores the current password which we have determined. Level, green, red are variables which will be used as we move along the code. In setup we initialize all the ports. Button 0, button 1, button 2 they are input ports. Green, red are the LEDs, and 9 refers to the buzzer and the hardware. Level is a variable which we give an initial value of 0. Then we go to the main loop. We run it 4 times since we have since the passcode consists of 4 digits, so we have to run it 4 times to get the values from the buttons. So then we get the values through digital read button of I. Then we run the loop again to compare it with values, and then we check with button state of I if it differs from the last stored button value. Then we go on to if it's high, we switch the level variable. If level is 0, we increment the the pressed number I, the button number I matches with the password's corresponding value, increment level by 1. So level here is basically a variable which shows how much of the predetermined passcode our input matches with. So if we, let's say if our, okay, as you can see, the current password is 0122. If we have given 0123, level would be 3 because it matches until 0, 1 and 2. So level would be 3, and then when we give the third input, level goes to the error value of level equals 5. As you can see here, else everywhere it's given level equals 5. When level becomes 4, that means the person has entered the right code, and we go on to the corresponding side. So this is basically a condition to check and increment level accordingly. So when level becomes 0, we go to case 0, level is 1, case 1, and so on. Then we store again level. The last button state array has to be updated after every single push, so we get the values accordingly for every iteration of the for loop. Then we come out of the for loop. Here we are checking with the value of level. It can either be 4 or 5 at the end of the for loop. 5 refers to an incorrect passcode entered, and the 4 is for the correct entered passcode. If level equals 4, we give the high input to the green LED and to the buzzer. Then there's a bunch of delays here, and we stop the buzzer here and the LED. If level equals 5, it's a for loop running for 5 times. Digital write red high, red becomes high, the buzzer becomes high, it's a delay, and so on. So the red light will blink 5 times basically, along with the buzzing sound. And that is the code we have used for the project. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Matthew, and I'm here to demonstrate the working of our project. So this is basically a passcode system which authenticates the user if the right passcode is entered. Over here we have an Arduino board. This is the power supply, which is 9 volt. This is a red LED, a green LED, 3 push buttons here, 1, 2, 3, and this is a buzzer. So what we've done is there are 3 push buttons. This stands for 0, 1 and 2. If you enter the predetermined passcode, which I've currently set it to as 0122, the green light will turn up and the buzzer sounds. If it's wrong, the red LED lights up and the buzzer sounds. So first I'll enter the right password, 0, 1, 2, 2. As you can see, the green light is turned up. Now if I enter an incorrect password, say 0221, 0, 2. Since 02 is definitely not the right passcode, the red light is turned up, and this basically sums up our whole project.